Welcome back to the show. We're fast approaching the middle of April, and you can procrastinate as much as you like, but if you're thinking about doing some exterior projects on your house this summer and fall, well, you better get started early to make it easier and doable. Happy to have this morning from Ivy League Construction, our good friend Mike Washington. Mike, good to see you again.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
It's, at that time when tax time rolls around here, you better get lined up to have your exterior work done on your home, right?
Absolutely. This is really the time of year. It's finally warm enough. I hope all the snow and all the bad weather is gone, and you can really get out and inspect your home, really take a look. Over this winter, we had a lot of problems with ice dams, roof problems, a lot of gutters falling off houses with all the heavy snow, which then leads to problems with insulation, and all those things can be done from the outside of your home. So this time of year, we really want our clients to get out, everyone get out, take a look at your roof, take a look at your siding, see if you need any upgrades. If they haven't been done in years, the technology that's out there, it's fantastic.
Yeah, and it's important, to have the roof done right.
Absolutely.
And you do it right at Ivy League Construction. Explain what that means by having it done right.
Yeah, well, first off, we're going to come out, do an assessment of your house. What do you really need? What type of shingle you're looking for? And then we're going to pull your permits, make sure everything's permitted properly. Actually get out and we're going to strip that roof deck down all the way down to the wood. We want to inspect the roof deck itself because that's what is holding your shingles on. If the roof deck is rotted out, you can't put new shingles over the top. A lot of companies out there will do overlays. The problem with that is if everything underneath is wrong, it's not going to hold up for 50 years. So the idea is to strip everything down, get to the roof deck, inspect it all. While you're in there, you can also look at insulation levels. Take a look to make sure that the insulation planes are proper. In our area, you were looking for an R50 to 60, which most homes, when they were built, might have had 20, 30, maybe 40. So you need more insulation in most of the roof systems that we go into and look at. And then you can get actually into the nuts and bolts of the roof itself, having the proper ice shield, having the proper underlayments on your roof. Obviously the shingle, there's so many colors today and shapes and different styles. They are gonna come with our 50-year warranty, non-prorated. Everything that we put on for 50 years, it's going to be good for. It includes labor, 25 years of labor. So it's a great system.
CertainTeed, I know, is a brand that you carry. It's a great brand there.
Yeah.
With the ice shields and gutters. But I want to talk about siding too. We don't
Absolutely.
have a lot of time with that because that's certainly important too with the weather we see and the insulation that may or may not be there, right?
Yeah, the siding is the same system again. So that really is going to be a lot of curb appeal. That's really looking at your house. How does it look? We can change colors there, like 1,400 colors. We're talking about vinyl is final always. We do it one time, do it right. Again, we're going to strip all the way down to the roof deck, get all the way down to the siding deck. Same exact thing. We want to inspect the wood, make sure there's any rot in there, get rid of it. We can also take a look at the sidewalls for insulation. Do you need insulation in your walls? Is it already there? We're still going to put a weatherproof membrane over the top. Tyvek goes over everything. And then on top of that, we're going to put another R4 insulation on the outside of your house so we'll get any thermal bridging through the house itself, through the studs, and then the siding and all the trim can go on.
Yeah, and make sure the big bad wolf can't blow it down.
Absolutely, right? Absolutely. That's the goal.
Financing, I know you always help folks out with.
We have tons of plans all the time. We have some 0% for 24 months right now. We have some 4.99 for up to 144 months. We have all sorts of coupons online. Take a look at us online. Go to ivyleagueconstruction.com. We'll be able to come out. You can set up your appointment right there, and we'll get out and take a look at your house for you.
All right, and set it up soon here, everybody, because you want to get on that schedule for Ivy League Construction. They are the most trusted name in home improvement for your exterior and your interior needs too if you have an interior project. Find out more about everything they offer service-wise, including roofing, exterior siding. Head over to their website at ivyleagueconstruction.com. Also call for that appointment and estimate, 716-875-8654. And remember, they do have those great financing options for all of your home improvement projects, including 24 months of 0% financing, and they can go even longer than that with a great rate too. All right, coming up next, the ideal you